We're at Epcot. We're gonna try the scavenger hunt again, and it is raining. So right now, we're lucky enough to be hiding in the DVC lounge. Then we'll go work on the scavenger hunt and look for Figment.
Okay, we're trying to save this day. Even though we came to do the scavenger hunt, it still hasn't stopped raining and we sat in the DVC lounge for almost 2 hours. But we did just find a reservation for Rose and Crown, so we're gonna move over there, have some lunch, and see what happens after.
I chose the shepherd's pie for lunch. I haven't had shepherd's pie in so long. So shepherd's pie is really just ground beef. There's peas and carrots. They put a mashed potato layer on top. This one's really nice. The seasoning's great. There's a lot of depth to it. Really enjoyable.
For lunch today, I have 2 things sitting in front of me. One of them I plan on sharing with Ed, but it's the bubble and squeak. Basically in the UK they have a dish where they use all their leftovers from Sunday dinner and put it into a pan and fry it up. Here it's mashed potatoes, bacon, and a whole bunch of other things. The dish I actually got is corned beef and cabbage, and I'm really excited to eat that. So let's grab a fork and dig in here. It's nice, tender corned beef, but I think my favorite part is the mustard that they put on it. It's really good. Now I gotta switch over for this bubble and squeak. Ooh, the bubbles and squeak is good. That might be what I want for my lunch today. Corned beef and cabbage is the side. That's right, we're done with lunch, and I am wearing sunglasses now. The rain stopped, the sun's coming out, or at least trying to, and we still have a scavenger hunt that we're trying to do. So might as well start it while we're here today. I found the first one in the UK. I'm not going to show you guys which one it is or where it is, but I'm going to put my first sticker on my map and move on to the next pavilion. This scavenger hunt is a lot of fun. We just found the one in France and we're moving on to the next country. Something I don't think we realized when we started is Figment's not just plopping himself into the corner of these paintings or anything like that where he's hiding. Figment is hacking the paintings and replacing himself as one of the main characters. So if you choose to do this scavenger hunt, keep an eye out for that. It's way more entertaining finding the right answer than you might think. great things about doing these scavenger hunts is it makes you look in places you never looked before. Right here in Morocco, there's a gallery of art and history. That was a really cool place to go inside and find. I'm standing outside the Japan Pavilion right now. The drum show is going on and they're introducing a little bit about their drumming troupe. I'm gonna stand here and watch that before I head in and try to find the next piece of artwork.
Looking for Figment. We're finding them all though. We're doing pretty well.
Again, for the geography buffs, Germany is just past halfway around the world.
Epcot.
This scavenger hunt is a lot of fun, especially when it means that I get to go into my favorite pavilions and actually look at them in more detail trying to find Figment. So let's head over into China now. I don't want to point out all the artwork that we're finding today for Figment, but I do want to show something kind of interesting so you can learn a little bit about Figment's hacked art and the real art that inspired it. All right, we got one more.
One more Figment left to find.
We just found the last painting here in Mexico. We found all of the Figments and Ed seems very impressed by that.
So excited! Now we have to find out what we get for completing it.
So time to head over to one of the gift shops over there on Showcase Promenade and see what our prize is. Finished our scavenger hunt. We found all of Figment's hacked paintings. And keeping with the theme, I got my Figment coloring book. And Figment stickers. Ooh. That's a winner. I had fun with the scavenger hunt.
Yeah, I mean, it's a fun thing to do. It definitely helped us engage with different pavilions. There are parts of the pavilion that, as Jason probably said, he's never been to the entire time he's been coming to Disney. So that was cool. It kind of encourages you to see a whole new thing.
Yeah, I definitely saw things that in the 35 years that I've been coming here, I didn't see before. So all in all, a long day. Started off thinking we were not going to do the scavenger hunt, but worth every minute we spent in Epcot today. And if you liked watching us do our scavenger hunt, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to make sure you get notifications every time we update a new video.
And share.
Make sure to share.